Garages are often the most overlooked space in any home. Most people see them as dumping grounds, filled with forgotten boxes, old tools, and unused sports gear. Yet, every garage holds amazing potential. With the right vision and a little hard work, this wasted space can become the best room in your house. Why do we let garages go to waste? Often, it's just habit. Out of sight, out of mind. We put things there for now, but for now quickly becomes forever. This is a real shame because garages are usually large, dry and secure, perfect for transformation. Think of the possibilities: a home gym, a cozy den, a hobby room, or even a stylish guest suite. All it takes is a plan, some elbow grease, and a willingness to let go of clutter. The results can be truly life-changing. This is the story of how we turned our own chaotic garage into a dream room, a place we now use every single day. I hope our journey inspires you to see your own garage in a new light. Our garage was a classic example of wasted space. When we moved in, it quickly became the home's catch-all area. Old furniture, dusty boxes, broken garden tools, and even forgotten holiday decorations piled up over the years. Every time we opened the door, we felt overwhelmed. It was easier to shut the door and forget about it. We couldn't park the car inside. There was barely room to walk from one end to the other. The floor was grimy concrete, stained and cracked in places. Cobwebs hung from the ceiling, and the single bare bulb gave off a cold, harsh light. It was uninviting in every way. Every so often, we'd attempt to tidy up, but without a clear plan, the clutter always crept back in. We dreamed about using the space for something better, but the mess felt impossible to tackle. It was hard to see past the chaos. Still, deep down, we knew the garage could be so much more. What we needed was a reason to begin and a vision of what it could become. Once we made the decision to reclaim the space, everything began to change. The hardest part was clearing everything out. We set aside a weekend to empty the garage and sorted everything into keep, donate, sell, and toss. It was hilarious to find things we hadn't seen in years. Some boxes were still unopened. Decluttering felt overwhelming, but we tackled it section by section and were ruthless. If we hadn't used it in a year, it went. Soon, we had a clean slate for planning. We measured the space, drew up simple plans, and decided on a multi-purpose room for relaxing, hobbies, and guests. We set our priorities: good flooring, storage, lighting, and a budget of £3,500. With a clear plan, we were ready for the transformation to begin. The first big upgrade was the flooring. We chose interlocking vinyl tiles, easy to lay, durable, and much softer underfoot than bare concrete. At £600 for the whole space, this was a practical yet stylish choice. The tiles snapped together in a day, instantly making the room feel warmer and more inviting. Next came insulation. Garages can be freezing in winter and boiling in summer. We installed insulated plasterboard on the walls and added a layer of insulation above the ceiling. The total cost for insulation materials was about £900. Doing the work ourselves saved us a lot, and the difference in comfort was immediate. Lighting was another game changer. We swapped the single bulb for LED panel lights. Bright, energy efficient, and much easier on the eyes. At £250, this small investment made the room feel open and modern. We also added a few plug-in lamps for a softer, homier glow in the evenings. With the basics sorted, the space already felt transformed. No longer cold or dreary, the garage was now a blank canvas, ready for the next stage, turning it into a truly useful, beautiful room. With the structure ready, it was time to furnish. We wanted every piece to serve more than one purpose. The first choice was a sleek sofa bed, perfect for lounging, but also a comfy spot for overnight guests. At £350, it was our biggest furniture buy, but, honestly, worth every penny. For storage, we installed wall-mounted shelving and modular cupboards. This let us keep craft supplies, board games, and tools neatly out of sight. We found a fold-down table that could be used for hobbies or as a desk for working from home. Stackable stools doubled as extra seating or side tables. Altogether, furniture and storage came to around £800. Layout was key. We kept the center of the room open, so the space felt bigger and was flexible for different uses. Rugs and colorful cushions added warmth and personality. We finished with a few plants, family photos, and soft throws, small touches that made it feel like home. The result was a room that could change with our needs. Movie nights, crafting, reading, or hosting friends. It was all possible now, thanks to thoughtful furniture choices and a clever layout. Managing the budget was a key part of the project. Our target was £3,500. Flooring cost £600, insulation and plasterboard £900, and lighting £250. Furniture was £800, paint and decor £350, and tools £200. In total, we spent £3,100. We saved by doing most of the work ourselves and shopping smart. We found deals and picked up some furniture second-hand. Selling old items raised £200 for our budget. In the end, we came in under budget and created a space that felt truly valuable. Every project brings surprises, and this garage makeover was no different. The biggest lesson? Start with a good clear-out. It's hard work, but there's no way around it. Once the clutter is gone, everything else feels easier. We were surprised by how much difference insulation made. The garage went from freezing to cozy, and we now use it all year. Lighting was another big win. Bright, well-placed lights changed the garage from gloomy to inviting overnight. Don't underestimate the effect of good lighting. One challenge was dealing with damp patches on the walls. We used a moisture barrier paint before insulating, which solved the problem. It's worth checking for any leaks or dampness before you start your own project. We also learned that small touches, rugs, throws, art, really help make the space feel like a real room. Our best tip? Plan each stage, but stay flexible. Sometimes you find a bargain or change your mind about how you'll use the space. That's part of the fun. Most important of all, don't rush. The transformation is worth taking time to get right. Now, the garage is our favorite room in the house. It's the first place we go to relax, read, or work on hobbies. Friends and family are amazed when they see the transformation. What was once a forgotten space has become the heart of our home. The best reward is how flexible the room is. It hosts movie nights, craft sessions, and even the occasional guest. The sofa bed makes sleepovers easy. The fold-down table is perfect for everything from puzzles to paperwork. And with smart storage, there's no clutter in sight. We love the feeling of reclaiming wasted space. It's changed how we use our whole house. Instead of wishing for more room, we made the most of what we had. The garage makeover has inspired us to tackle other projects too. Looking back, every hour and penny spent was worth it. The space feels completely new, warm, comfortable, and full of life. It's proof that with a little imagination, any garage can become a dream room. Garages don't have to be dusty dumping grounds. With a clear plan and some determination, they can become the most loved room in your home. Our journey showed us that even the messiest, most neglected space has hidden potential. Start by dreaming big, then break the project down into manageable steps. Clear out the clutter, invest in comfort and good lighting, and choose furniture that works hard for the space. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty or learn new DIY skills. The rewards are worth it. Every garage is different, but every garage can be transformed. Whether you want a hobby room, a home office, or a cozy den, it's all possible. What matters most is making the space work for you and your family. So open that garage door, roll up your sleeves, and get started. Your dream room could be waiting just on the other side of all that clutter.